In this lesson, we're going to learn about the letter P, what it looks like, and the sound that it represents. This is an uppercase P. The way we write it is a straight line down. We pick up our pencil. We do a curve. That's an uppercase P. Let's try writing it in the air together. Straight line down, curve. A lowercase p looks very similar. It's just smaller, it's shorter, lower to the ground. So we do our straight line, we do our curve. That's the letter P. Here's how you can make it with your body. You stand up straight, that's the line, and you can bend your head, your neck if you want to, and use your arms to make the curve for the letter P. Can you make this with your body? The sound that we have for P, the sound that P represents is almost like you're just doing a little puff of air. So what I want you to do is start with your lips together, like they're just closed, and you just open them a little and just send out a little air. Can you hear it? I almost couldn't even hear it. Listen again. You try. P can represent the sound. So here are some words that start with P. Just kind of like breathing, right? We have, can you think of anything that starts with P before we start? Here is a pen. That starts with P, with the letter P. We have a, oh, look at this cute little pig. That starts with P. We have a pumpkin. Ooh, yummy pears. And yummy potatoes. All of those things start with P and they say P. They begin with the sound P. So our card goes like this. P, pan, P. P, pan, P. Your turn. Let's do it together. P, pan, P. And when I say the letter P, I hear P. They sound pretty similar. Do you hear it? Now when we do this in sign language, I think the letter P in sign language is a little bit tricky. So here's what we have to do. We have to hold up 3 fingers like this, your thumb finger, your pointer finger, your middle finger. Then we're going to put our thumb in between. So it's kind of like we're holding up a peace sign, and then our thumb goes in the middle, and then shoop, we just push everything down. So I'm going to show you again. For a P in sign language, it's like a peace sign. Your thumb goes in between those 2 fingers, and then you go down. This is the letter P in sign language. So now we know the letter P, uppercase and lowercase, they're pretty similar. And we know the sound it can represent, which is P, that little puff of air. See you soon.